welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my before my sew-in hair care routine, whatever you want to call it. Basically, I'm showing you how I wash my hair and blow dry and the products I've used in my hair before I get a protective style like a sew-in or braids. But this time I am getting a sew-in because I have senior casuals to take Saturday for my graduation invitation. So I'm getting my hair done, I'm getting my nails done, and yeah, so I hope you guys like the video and don't mind my hair because I've already washed my hair and I'm late on doing the intro. And so since I was about to blow dry my hair, I said why not do the intro right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to give a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And it's starting now. Y'all, I really apologize if this quality sucks, but it's because my camera died, so I had to recharge it. But I'm on my camera now, and I had to use my iPad, and my iPad, you know, I had, you know, the original iPad, so, you know, quality isn't all that good. But I didn't want to wait for the battery to charge because it takes like 3 freaking hours, and I was trying to wash my hair and get it over with because I don't want to be up all night washing my hair to get ready for tomorrow. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and let's get right back into it. Say hey.
Hello.
Okay, sorry for the interruption, but my hair is almost dry now, and I was trying to blow dry my hair before my roots dried, because that's really the worst part, because I have new growth and I'm like 2 months post relaxer, so that's like 8 weeks. Wait, yeah, like 7.5, 8 weeks, something like that. And my new growth is the part that is not tameable. My new growth is the part that is not tameable, so that's why I put a lot of condition on my hair and focused on the roots. And so now that it's kind of dry already, I'm not gonna worry about straightening the roots, because my hair is going to get braided down tomorrow, because I ain't getting a sew-in. And I hope you enjoyed my hair routine. I don't know what to call it. Basically, how I treat and care for my hair before, how I treat and care for my hair before I get a protective style, specifically a sew-in this time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you all next week.